I always used to ask my grandparents that why did we choose a small city? Why not a metro city? Because it would have been easier for me to achieve my goals, to become an actor and all that. I used to ask them all the time, and he used to never be able to answer that question. He always had tears in his eyes, and he would never be able to complete the story of 1947 and what happened back then. I believe, as an actor, you have to be jack of all trades, master of none, and it also helps the producer. So whenever, also in my day offs, when I'm not shooting anything, I rigorously practice dance, horse riding, or whatever, keyboard. You never know what role you get, and you should always be prepared for that.
What's very also beautiful in this, and I only have the trailer to go by, is the family. You know that the father is strict, he's a disciplinarian, but the mother and the sister seem to be supportive. Wonderful actors. Tell me a little about them. Yeah.
It was first of all, it was a blast working with Suvinder sir. Seriously, I've watched him in Kohara, and I know his caliber as an actor, and he's such a chill person on set. On screen, maybe we have this Chhattis ka aakda that we're not talking to each other, but we became best friends. He always referred to me as "Good morning, brother." Like today, also he messaged me "Good morning, brother."
All right, on the 6th of Feb comes a really intense father-son story on Z5. It's called Shabad. From me, Rishike, please welcome one of the foremost actors of our generation, Mr. Suvinder Vicky, and of course, young Turk Mihir Ahuja. Hi guys, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
विकी जी, सबसे पहले तो आप रागी का मतलब समझाएं उन लोगों के लिए, जैसे जो बहुत ही स्लिक अर्बनाइट्स हैं, बॉम्बे में रहने वाले लोग हों, या वो जो रागी का मतलब नहीं समझते, कि क्या ट्रेडिशन है पंजाब में.
ओके. रागी को हम लोग जोड़ते हैं राग से.
क्लासिकल.
हाँ, क्लासिकल. So there is a tradition in gurdwaras in Punjab or everywhere, all over the world, कि जहाँ पे कीर्तन होता है ना जब, तो वो एक पर्टिकुलर राग, जो हमारे रागाज हैं गुरबाणी में जो अंकित किए गए हैं, उनको लेके जो हम विचार करते हैं, या हम प्रभु का नाम लेते हैं, या वाहेगुरु का नाम लईदा, तो उससे जुड़ा हुआ है दैट्स राग. और उस राग को गाने वाला इज कॉल्ड राग.
और ये एक लेगेसी है which is passed on from generations.
जी, बिल्कुल.
मतलब ग्रैंडफादर से लेके फादर, सन, ग्रैंडसन, एक के बाद एक.
डिपेंड्स कि मतलब कौन कौन उसको फॉलो करना चाह रहा है, कौन. लेकिन वो जो लेगेसी है या जो ये रीत है, वो तो हर रागी मेरे ख्याल से ये चाहता है कि यार जो मेरा बेटा है या मेरी बेटी, इवन क्योंकि बच्चियों का इसमें गुरबाणी में आना बहुत बाद में हुआ है. अभी आप समझो कि आजकल के एरा में, तो पहले अलाउड नहीं था लड़कियों के लिए गुरबाणी गाना. तो ये मतलब गुरु साहब की रीत ऐसी है कि वो कि बच्चियां क्यों नहीं गुरबाणी गा सकती हैं नॉल. तो अभी जाके ये भी हो गया है कि भाई बच्चियां भी गाएंगी. तो जैसा आप इस सीरीज में देखेंगे आगे चल के कि ये जो एक लेगेसी है, बेटे से बेटी को कैसे गई from the father. So it will happen.
Very beautifully explained. The reason I asked Suvinder ji that question is because he plays a ragi in Shabad. And Mihir, which segues beautifully to my next question. I mean, I know you're Punjabi by birth. Ahujas are Punjabis. But I mean, you've grown up in Jamshedpur, which is the heart of Bihar. How good or how fluent was your Punjabi? How much did you have to work on it? Were you speaking Punjabi at home, or was Hindi and English a mixture of that, your lingua franca? And how much did you have to adapt it for Shabad, for the series?
Yeah. So Jamshedpur now is in Jharkhand.
Correct.
In 2000.
But when you were growing up, it was in
Bihar.
Yeah.
I was born in 1998. It was Bihar then. And my grandparents always spoke in Punjabi because they are from then Punjab, now Pakistan. And I always used to ask my grandparents that why did we choose a small city? Why not a metro city? Because, it would have been easier for me to, achieve my goals, to become an actor and all that. I used to ask them all the time. And he used to never be able to answer that question. he always had tears in his eyes, and he would never be able to complete the story of 1947 and what happened back then. So so he never left, that language, and everyone in home used to speak in Punjabi, especially my grandparents, and my mom and dad used to talk to our grandparents in Punjabi, and I used to always listen to them. My mother tongue was Hindi, and we used to talk in Hindi at home, or English at times. But I used to always mimic my grandmom talking in Punjabi. She's like, "Rolla pai rande, She had a very like unique way of speaking in Punjabi, which I really used to enjoy, and I used to mimic her all the time. Ki sare rolla pai rande ghar vich ye." So that's how I started speaking in Punjabi. And once, at a very early age, I decided to become an actor. I think I was in 6th or 7th grade. I was 11, 12 years old.
Same here, brother.
So, I knew as an actor, it's always better to know different languages. You never know which role you land up playing. So that's when I insisted my grandmom to let's speak in Punjabi. So for 3-4 years, we literally, like, I was speaking in Punjabi with my grandmom, and then she passed away when I was filming for Archie's. So we couldn't continue that, but she became a best friend post me coming to Mumbai. So once I reached Mumbai, I was on regular calls with her just for Punjabi, and that also brought us close in a way.
She would be so proud seeing this, and I'm sure she's seeing it from up there.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. लड़का पास हुआ कि फेल पंजाबी में?
लड़का पास है जी, मैं क्या 100 out of 100.
But it must help also practicing with him. I noticed when you came in,
Yeah.
you were talking in Punjabi.
Yeah.
It just helps.
I used to talk in Punjabi on set mostly.
That also, and ये इतना, see, being a father, because I'm a father of 2 beautiful daughters.
अरे,
Right.
I'm also father to
Yeah.
beautiful.
और
Blessed.
इसको अपने बेटे के रूप में ग्रहण करना मुझे, प्लीज डोंट माइंड,
हाँ जी,
मतलब
हाँ जी,
मैंने तेरे में अपनी बेटी देखी,
अरे वाह.
अपनी बड़ी वाली बेटी.
क्या बात
है ना?
No, it's a compliment.
Yeah, of course.
शी इज योर एज, एंड तेरा चेहरा मुझे नजर आता था कि हाँ, मेहर है, राइट, एंड हम फादर सन प्ले कर रहे हैं. लेकिन उसमें मुझे मतलब somehow, क्योंकि मेरे को उसको सोचना पड़ा.
I mean, of course, the feeling remains the same. I mean, yeah.
You know that scene जो जिसमें गुस्सा होता हूँ रात को,
Oh my
कितों
God.
आया है,
Yeah.
राइट, और गला बैठा हुआ था, वायरल हो गया था सबको
Yeah.
शूटिंग के दौरान ना, मतलब
Everyone was sick.
पूरा ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबॉडी वाज सिक, इंक्लूडिंग द एक्टर्स, मतलब इंक्लूडिंग मी आल्सो. और गला ऐसे, मतलब, और उसमें डायलॉग्स है, और प्रेशर इतना था कि यार करना ही है, आज ही करना है. मतलब कोई ये नहीं है कि मतलब कल पे पेंडिंग कर देते हैं या ऐसा कुछ.
We're very tight on schedule.
और हाँ, तो और फिर क्या था कि मतलब आप क्या गलतियां का पुतला होता है इंसान, कुछ मेरे से भी हो रही हैं, कुछ उनसे भी हो रही, कुछ अच्छा, एक मेरे को ये नहीं समझ में आता कि जब रोल होता है तो कैमरा क्यों, मतलब ओ सॉरी ये फलाना फॉल्ट आ गया, ढीमका फॉल्ट आ गया. यार मतलब एक एक्टर दी ऐसी तैसी फिर भी है,
मतलब वो कंसंट्रेशन इन द मोमेंट में रहते हो आप.
लंबे सीन आप 4 शॉट्स दे चुके हो, उसके बाद ओ सॉरी लाइट हिल गई, फलाना. ओ यार मतलब पर क्या करें, पार्ट ऑफ द जॉब.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct.
तो
Correct.
करना पड़ा, मतलब बड़ा मजा आया.
Yeah.
बहुत
मुझे भी.
बहुत
So
मजा आया.
nice. So wonderful. You know, I'm so happy that football as a sport, I mean, though it's a father-son relationship, it could have been any sport. But I'm so glad that football has been chosen because there's been an overdose of cricket movies. I was very happy that when Shah Rukh Khan was in Chak De India, because it was again based on hockey. So the fact that it was on football is, I think, a great plus point for Shabad as a series. Talk to me about that. Did you have to work on it? Did you play football in school? Because he is a brilliant football player.
Yeah.
He might not be a great singer because he stammers. It's no spoiler because it's in the trailer. But he is a good football player.
Yeah.
You needed to recreate that. Talk to me about that.
I believe, like as an actor, you have to be jack of all trades, master of none, and it also helps the producer. So whenever, also in my day offs when I'm not shooting anything, I rigorously practice dance, horse riding, or whatever, like keyboard. You never know what role you get, and you should always be prepared for that. So, but talking about that, sports, I was never very much into sports in school. I was always in extracurricular activities, performing arts, stage plays, street plays, dance, and beatboxing and stuff.
Yeah, I know. I've
Yeah.
heard you beatbox.
Yeah. So I was never very good at sports. I was always first at a 100-meter race, पीछे से. then I used to start running.
No, but actually you're wiry and thin.
Yeah,
Man. You should be faster.
I have an
right?
athletic body, but I was never very much into sports. But yeah, I used to play football, not rigorously again. So when I got this project, I was locked around a month back, and I told the production that hey, I think I should like please get me the script as soon as possible so that I can like see how many football scenes are there. If there are like 2 or 1 scenes where you're just establishing the character, that can be done. And there's a thing called cheat in the film industry where you just cheat some shots where you see me running and then you just see the leg kicking. So you can cut different, but there were proper playing scenes, so I had to train myself. So I joined this. I went to the there's this coach in Goregaon Sports Club.
Sports club, yeah.
I went there. I trained there for around 15 days, and it was like a crash course in football. So he told me the tricks, like dribbling tricks. How do you pass to look like an authentic footballer? So yeah, now you'll see. You'll know
But
if
they
I've
tell me
done
the
justice.
most difficult thing is to take a corner kick,
Yeah,
which is what Beckham used to do, is to swerve it in, right?
yeah. It's also I've realized like. Once you stop playing a sport, because in school I was not very active, but I was active because we had this PT period, games period. So like it was every day we had one game session. We used to go to the field and play. But once I started acting, I was so much into acting and like not into sports that you feel alienated on the field. So just to also get that feeling right, and that I should be one with the football, and if I'm there, I should look like I belong there. So I had to train myself, and yeah, I think I did justice to it.
Well done.
Yeah.
Nice. Great.
कहा जाता है कि कोई भी बाप बुरा नहीं होता, वो अपने circumstance के वजह से ऐसा होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बंदा जो है ही इज अ बैड पर्सन, आपका जो कैरेक्टर है, बट उसके फादर ने शायद उससे ऐसी डील की होगी कि देख तू रागी बनेगा, देयर नो अदर चांस. एंड इन मॉडर्न डे इन पेरेंटिंग वी हैव टू बी मोर फ्लेक्सिबल, है ना? आज की डेट में आप अपनी बेटियों को नहीं कह सकते कि यू हैव टू डू दिस प्रोफेशन,
बिल्कुल.
यू नो, बिकॉज पेरेंटिंग इटसेल्फ हैज चेंज्ड. क्या वो दिखाता है ये सीरीज, मॉडर्न डे पेरेंटिंग वर्सेस ओल्डर पेरेंटिंग?
बिल्कुल ब्रदर, ऑब्वियसली दिखाता है. मैं आज की डेट में अपनी बेटी पे अपना प्रोफेशन नहीं थोप सकता.
एग्जैक्टली, करेक्ट.
राइट. उसको एक्टर नहीं बनना है, उसको पेंटिंग चूज करनी है, सो उसको वही करना है. क्योंकि आजकल पता नहीं यार ये जेन जी या कौन कौन सी ABCD आ गई हैं, हमारी तो वाट लगा के रखी हुई है. और इतना ज्यादा मतलब, चलो वो तो खैर इतने एक्टिव है बच्चे ना आज की डेट में, उनको मतलब कई बार मेरे बच्चे मेरे से इतनी बड़ी बात कर जाते हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि यार मैंने तो ये कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि मैं ऐसे कुछ बोल दूं इनको, या ऐसा कुछ. हमारे माँ बाप ने, हम तो अभी भी उनके चरणों के स्थान पे हैं. ऑलवेज मतलब मानिया दुआवा लेते हैं बाप की, और वहां पे क्या है, गुड मॉर्निंग पापा, वो भी कभी हो जाए तो हो जाए, है ना? और गुड नाइट. अपने अपने रूम्स हैं, सब अपने अपने कामों में बिजी हैं, अपने घुसे हुए हैं. तो ये इसमें मतलब जब ये प्ले कर रहा था ये कैरेक्टर, तो क्योंकि मैं यार मतलब मेरे घर में इतना कुछ चलता है कि मेरे को उसकी हेल्प हो जाती है. पता नहीं वाहिगुरु की देन है या क्या है कि जो भी मुझे किरदार मिलते हैं ना, तो मेरे घर पे मसला इतना रहता है कि वो हेल्प कर जाता है कि
उसी से आप उठा लेते.
आप उठा के चल वहां पेस्ट, कॉपी उधर से पेस्ट वहां वो कर देता हूँ, और चल जाता है काम में यार।
मेरे साथ तो ये है कि बेटी पे अगर चिल्ला भी थी तो बाद में माफी मांगनी पड़ती है, बड़ा खराब
एक बार नहीं ब्रो, मतलब मुझे लगता है मल्टीपल टाइम्स माफी
अरे हमारे बाप तो चपेट मार देते थे।
हाँ।
कुछ नहीं बोल पाता।
चलो मतलब हमारा ऐसी मतलब पै तो ऐसी होती, ठीक है
Yeah.
अच्छी ना।
Adding to this, I want to add, like, I asked my dad the other day that, have you ever hugged that Daddy Ji? Like, we call our Dadaji
Yeah,
Daddy
of
Ji.
course, Daddy Ji,
I
yeah.
said, never. Never hugged.
Never, yeah.
Because it wasn't a friendship.
Yeah.
Your father is supposed to be your friend.
And I deliberately opened up my dad.
Lovely.
I was like, अरे hug करो यार, ये क्या बात हुई?
So
आप मुझे praise करो.
आजकल बच्चे
Yeah.
ओपन कर रहे हैं पेरेंट्स।
हाँ.
Correct.
So whenever I do some projects and I send him some screenshots, I was like, please praise me यार, tell me that I'm good.
मैं माँ के पैर छू लेता हूँ, लेकिन फादर के मतलब मुझे भी थोड़ा सा वो लगता है कि यार ये कौन है, ये शख्स कौन है, मतलब
But it's wonderful that a lot of things are changing. I mean, it's so important. You know, what's very also beautiful in this, and I only have the trailer to go by, is the family. The mother, the sister. You know that the father is strict, he's a disciplinarian. There's a scene in the trailer where he's taking the shoes and almost throwing them away, burning them. But the mother and the sister seem to be supportive. You know, wonderful actors. Tell me a little about them. Yeah.
It was first of all, it was a blast working with Suvinder sir. Seriously, I've watched him in Kohara and I know his caliber as an actor, and he's such a chill person on set. You know, like on screen, maybe we have this Chhattis ka aakda that we're not talking to each other, but we became best friends. He always referred to me as "Good morning, brother." Like today also he messaged me "Good morning, brother," and I feel so good and accepting in a way that because when the first time when I met him, I always had a very different like if you don't know a person.
मैं तो एक चीज समझता हूँ कि उमराज की रखा दिल होना चाहिए जवान।
बिल्कुल
मेरा बेटा प्ले किया है इसने, लेकिन मेरा भाई तो है,
अरे वाह
छोटा भाई है मेरा। तो अपना तो यही है सिस्टम, क्योंकि अगर जवान रहना ना जिंदगी भर तो इश्क करते रहो, किसी से भी हो करते रहो इश्क।
So yeah, when I first saw him, you always have this this notion about someone that okay, how will that person be on set? Because open up होने में time लगता है, and he was like अरे झप्पी पाल है and all. He always had that warmth and energy on set. So we used to enjoy like working with him on set. Whenever we had scenes, I literally had a blast.
मैं तो इसको बोलता था, इसने पता नहीं ड्रॉप कर दिया था ना, कहता मेरा कुछ चल रहा है।
क्या?
मैं तो शाम को पूछता होता था कि आजा आजा थोड़ा,
मतलब नींबू पानी
पीते हैं, थोड़ा कुछ सोडा वोडा पीते हैं, तो वो कहते नहीं पाजी मैंने सोडा छोड़ रखा है।
I've actually never tried alcohol in my life. So I'm a teetotaler, but we still used to enjoy, like, used to sit together. इनको हमेशा शाम को महफिल जमाने का शौक था, बैठ कर बात करें तो
it's like John Abraham says, I
शाम
don't
को
drink but I like to sit with people.
बट मजे बहुत आते हैं इनकी बातें सुनकर। ओ माय गॉड, कब रात के 2 बज जाए 3 बज जाए सुबह 6 बजे कॉल टाइम हमें समझ नहीं आता था।
मैं तो आज जैसे शाम को आया ना रात को, तो मैंने इसको किया, मैंने कहा भी कहता है, मैंने कहा थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाए यार मिलते हैं ना, कहता मैं तो अभी उठा ही हूँ। तो मैंने कहा मैं तो सोया ही नहीं यार सारी रात, मतलब मुझे मीर से मिलना है, मुझे ये सब इसमें शिरकत करनी है, मैं तो रात भर सो ही नहीं पाया।
I don't know how he does it. He never sleeps. Also on set he never slept. Like he slept for half an hour, 40 minutes, and he used to be on set like with that energy. I could never do that. Like I could never like even I'm always lethargic on set if I don't sleep. Like I need my sleep.
Yes,
I don't know how it is.
about the other actors also, the girl who plays your sister, the mother. Wonderful actors. Yeah.
So Taranjeet Kaur is playing my mom.
And Mahi, I think, is
Mahi Raj Jain is playing my sister. Mahi has this very innocence and vulnerability about her, which I think is very unique as an actor and which you don't find in anyone easily. So there are some actors who just emote through eyes, even if you don't have any dialogues. And even if she's just on the screen present with me, if she doesn't have any dialogue, she's just so expressive, like with what she does with her eyes, which is amazing at this age. And she's done a lot of films at this age. And Taran ma'am also, I think she, I had a lot of emotional scenes with her, and I literally felt like I'm shooting with my mom. I'm filming with my mom because I had that kind of warmth with her on set. So it was amazing. I mean, like I was blessed with great cast on set. Yeah.
अमित गुप्ता जो आपके डायरेक्टर हैं उनकी पकड़ क्या थी इस सब्जेक्ट पर? Was he from this world? इस वर्ल्ड को वो समझते थे या स्क्रीन प्ले लेकर उन्होंने कुछ करामात की?
यार रोबोट ही था वो आदमी ना, रोबोट लिटरली। मतलब उसकी एनर्जी अमित की इतनी, यार मेरे को ऐसे लगता था कि यार आप कर पाओगे, आप इतनी तरह सीक्वेंसेस आप प्लान कर रहे हो एक दिन, मतलब कितने 18-20 दिन में निपटाया ना आपने।
Yeah.
तो अच्छा, मेरे को शुरू में जब मैंने ये साइन वाइन किया तो मुझे लगा कि ठीक है हो जाएगा कोई गल, लेकिन जब वहां पहुंचे और जब वो आता गया, स्केड्यूल आता गया कि आज ये है, कल ये है, परसों ये है, मैंने कहा गए भाई।
Yeah. It was actually a lot from
Oh
us.
God. और उस आदमी की सोच देखो आपके, वो मतलब सब एक्टर्स को लेके और अपना कितना उसने बंदे ने काम किया होगा इसके ऊपर।
Yeah.
So brilliantly done, मतलब I should say that.
Because
Hats off.
in that 12-hour shift, we used to do we should shoot some 10 to 12 scenes.
Wow.
Which is
television speed.
Oh,
Because he's
yeah.
done a lot of
यार
television.
ऐसा लगता था
12
कि हम
minutes
लोग
of
ना, मैं क्या सीरियल कर रहे हैं यार, क्या सीरीज करवा रहे हैं, क्या
सीरियल
करवा
स्पीड
रहे
है ये.
हैं? सीरियल वाली स्पीड थी।
Yeah, but-
टक 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 टक, ये आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ, उधर आ जाओ।
But still, we used to like never be over time, and we were on time, and we used to manage finishing the shoot
Lovely.
on time.
My last question
It
is
went
to you,
really well.
Mihir. My last question is to you, Mihir. A wonderful shooting location that you really enjoyed during Shabad. And obviously, I mean, if you shot in the Punjab, you've got to go and have the dhaba food. Did you manage to get that on set, or did you go out?
We shot in Bhopal.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So Bhopal substituted for the Punjab.
Yeah. So we didn't shoot in Punjab at all, but we shot in Bhopal, in the outskirts of Bhopal, I would say, in one like
The beautiful
big,
house, yeah.
beautiful house, which had a khet also in the backyard. Sarson ka
Feeling वही थी पंजाब वाली।
full Punjab wali feeling. And kudos to the line producer and the entire production. How did they manage to find that beautiful house in the middle of Madhya Pradesh? But yeah, I mean, there was also a very beautiful Gurudwara in Bhopal, and I would say that is one of my best shooting experiences till
lovely.
date.
क्योंकि जब जाते थे ना होटल से तो वो लेक्स वाला
Yeah.
पता लगता था, लेकिन जैसे ही घर पहुंचे तो लगता था पंजाब।
Punjab aa gaya. And especially Gurudwara, whenever I used to go to Gurudwara from my hotel to Gurudwara every morning, I used to listen to all the shabads, and I every day I do listen to shabad. Like my morning starts with shabads, and I'm very spiritual that way. And I think whenever we used to go to Gurudwara, it's so divine. Like any spiritual place, it's so divine that things just fell into place by its own. It felt like we are not even pushing ourselves as an actor or even the director, writer. Everything was just happening by its own because yeah, seamlessly. So it was the best shooting experience, the entire Gurudwara sequence, and we did feel like we were in Punjab.
और ऐसा मतलब खो जाते थे ना यार के, अब मतलब वो खैर किसी भी आप धर्म को मानते हो या आप मस्जिद जाते हो, मंदिर जाते हो, गुरुद्वारा जाते हो, तो वो एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अपने आप में मिलती है। और लेकिन हम तो मतलब लिटरली वी वर प्लेइंग दैट रागी एंड ऐसे लग रहा था यार ये घर है अपना।
Beautiful feeling.
दैट गुरुद्वारा इज द मतलब अपना घर है।
Beautiful.
वो इतना वाओ।
Shabad streams on Z5 February 6th. It stars Mihir, Surinder Vicky ji, wonderful ensemble cast. From me to Shike, everybody's watching, listening. Please go give it a lot of love. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you
Cheers.
so much.
94.3 Radio 1.